Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name's Perry. I'll show you this boat here. It's a 2018 Scout 300 LXF. Back in the transom is powered by dual 300 Yamahas. These are digital throttle and shift. You've got twin swim platforms here. And then you walk through the rear transom door, walk through here. You've got a nice transom seat pull out, so you can keep everyone on the boat here nice and seated. Lots of seating on this boat for center console. You've got your leaning post, a Yeti cooler will go in here. You've got your bilge, dual fish boxes. You've got lots of rod storage holder, not here, just in the seating, but you got rocket launchers up here. As you move forward, you see you have high-rise bolsters, you have armrests, so very, very, very nice ultra leather up here on the Scouts. You have your digital throttle and shift controls, trim and tilt. You got Optimus steering, Lenco trim tabs with indicators, so you can see how your trim tabs are deployed. You've got your stereo remote, you got dual Garmin screens. Everything in the Garmin's, all your toggle switches are programmed in there, so you can, it's all touchscreen, but some of the more vital switches are up here. You got your Garmin VHF radio. And then specific to the 300 is down inside the center console, you have a lot of seating. So I come around here, I'll show you that. So not only is there a head here, you have a nice berth, nice seating area for, if it's a little windy out there, you're out fishing, and you can get away from some of the elements. And then up here in the bow, you got my favorite place on this boat. It's got a nice helm seat pad up here, which has, we've got armrests, plenty of storage up here. So any extra lines, fenders, you can pop those in there. More storage in the floor, more storage under the seats here. You've got rod holders, and then up front you have another anchor windlass with the foot pedals, so you can operate it from the front or at the helm. This boat comes equipped with, you've got the radar as well. So if you'd like to come down and see it, it's located here in Stevensville, Maryland, or give us a call for more information. Thank you.